If you're a small business owner struggling to make payroll or your rent, you now have 2 more months to apply for the Paycheck Protection Program. The president just signed the bill into law yesterday. It extends the deadline for small business owners to apply for the PPP loan from March 31st now to May 31st. It also gives the SBA until June 30th to approve and process loans that are still in the queue. The Paycheck Protection Program is a pandemic-related loan that, if used properly, may become fully forgivable through the federal government. Through the recent stimulus packages, lawmakers have allowed certain business owners to draw from this program twice. According to the SBA, almost 9 million PPP loans have been approved to help small business owners in this country. The vast majority were for loans under $50,000, and the biggest group of loans went to struggling restaurant owners. When signing the bill into law, the president said there is still money left in the PPP loan pot, so qualified small business owners should definitely apply. To get more information, go to sba.gov, click on Relief Options, then PPP loans. Did you already pay taxes on your unemployment benefit? Well, I just got some information from the IRS you're going to want to hear. Bottom line, if you want to take advantage of the $10,200 of tax-free unemployment, do nothing. The IRS will recalculate your return for you and will start refunding your money if you qualify in May, and will continue to roll out those refunds through the summer. Under the American Rescue Stimulus Plan passed earlier this month, the first $10,200 of your unemployment benefit is tax-free if you file single, and up to $20,400 if you file joint married with an adjusted gross income of less than $150,000. Keep in mind, this is only for the 2020 tax year, and if you qualify, the IRS says they will recalculate your return that you've already sent in. If there's an overpayment, you will either get a refund or the excess money will be applied to your outstanding tax debt. The IRS will do these calculations in 2 phases. Single tax filers who are eligible will be in phase 1, and qualified joint married filers and those with more complicated returns will be in phase 2. You can read more about all of this on irs.gov. We now know how big President Biden wants to go on this new stimulus infrastructure recovery plan, and we should probably all just have a seat because it's $2.2 trillion over 8 years. In the first piece, the president proposed a jobs plan because he says tons of workers will be needed to accomplish it all. We're talking modernizing tens of thousands of miles of highways, roads, main streets, and bridges, modernizing public transit, improving airports, replacing lead pipes used for drinking water, building affordable, reliable, high-speed broadband, modernizing public schools, and making investments to reduce climate change, creating jobs for essential home care workers, revitalizing manufacturing, and training Americans for the jobs of the future. The second piece, how to pay for it. Biden proposed the American Tax Plan. The key element, reversing the 2017 Trump tax cuts for corporations, bringing the tax rate back to 28% from 21%, ensuring companies pay at least some taxes by imposing a 15% minimum tax on income and discouraging them from shipping jobs overseas. Already, there's a ton of pushback from Republicans and even the U.S. Chamber of Commerce. This is just a proposal. It is not going to happen overnight, and this is going to take months to negotiate.